right, so we're going to review the parts of the atom because there seems to be a little bit of a struggle. So on this first page, we have, here's the nucleus of the atom. And probably what they should have done is they probably should have put a circle around that. There we go, for the nucleus. So inside the nucleus, you have neutrons and protons. Outside the nucleus, you have electrons. And the electrons can never enter into the nucleus. So at the bottom, we have some key terms. We have proton, which is a part of the atom that has a positive charge. It's found in the nucleus. We have the neutron, which is a part of the atom that has neither positive nor negative charge. It's also found in the nucleus. We have the electron, which is a part of the atom that gives a negative electrical charge, and it orbits the nucleus. It's never in the nucleus. It's always around the nucleus. So that brings us to, what is the nucleus? Well, the nucleus is the central part of an atom, which contains neutrons and protons, as we see right here. So I will... Here's the nucleus. There we go. So that is your nucleus. All right. Okay. So some background information. People once thought that the atom was the smallest particle of matter in the universe. However, scientists now know that atoms are made up of even smaller parts. There are three different kinds of particles. They are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Most of the mass of an atom is found in the central part of the atom, and we call that the nucleus. The nucleus of an atom is made up of protons and neutrons. These particles are packed very tightly together in the nucleus. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. They circle the nucleus very, very quickly. The electrons are very small and have almost no mass. The number of electrons in an atom is always equal to the number of protons. Scientists have discovered that protons, electrons, and neutrons have different charges. You probably know that the word charge has something to do with electricity. There are two kinds of charges. There are positive or plus charges, and negative or minus charges. By studying atoms, scientists have learned that protons have positive charges, electrons have negative charges, and neutrons are neutral. Since atoms have the same number of protons and electrons, the number of positive charges equals the number of negative charges. The opposite charges will then cancel themselves out. Therefore, the whole atom has no overall charge. Make sense? Okay. All right. In your Google Classroom,